A common mistake on this question is people writing out this number wrong. They think that 6,005,200 is either something like that, or we just don't put the zeros in the right place, and that has a knock-on effect. That causes the question to go completely wrong. The first thing I try to do here is think about what it is in ordinary form. The easiest way is actually writing it backwards, so starting with the 200, then adding on 5,000, adding on 6 million. So 6 million is going to be over here. Now to convert this into standard form, we want to have a number which is either 1 or greater than 1, but it has to be less than 10. And then we want to times that by 10 to the power of something. Now to consider why this is so useful, think about how our decimal system is made. It's all based on tens. One of the first things you learn in primary school is how to construct a number. You have units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and this just goes on indefinitely. It just keeps getting larger and larger. Near a decimal place, you have tenths, 100ths, and again that just keeps going down, getting smaller and smaller. So if we have a number 30, that essentially means 3 tens, 0 units, 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, 0 hundreds, and 0 thousands. We normally ignore the zeros, which aren't holding in place. So we get rid of those zeros, get rid of the decimal place. That's just 30. Now this 3 can represent different things in different places. So if we were to divide by 10, or times by 10 to the power of minus 1, then that's going to move it downwards. That's going to move it down to here. Then if we moved it down again, that's going to go to 0.3. So you can see that if I just write number 3, I can times this by 10 a certain amount of times, and that's going to represent any number at all with that 3 in the place, so 300 or 3000. So we can use that to our advantage with standard form. A shortcut we can do is just consider how many times we're going to times by 10. So when we have the number 6,005,200, currently the decimal place is here. Now we have to divide by 10 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times to get 6.0052. Now to counteract that measure, we want to times by 10 6 times, which is timesing by 10 to the power of 6. This means that we haven't changed the value of the number. For example, if we had 30 times 2, that's exactly the same as 3 times 20, or 3 times 2 times 10 to the power of 1, if we wanted to think about it that way.